clarinet can go. But a hot cornet can, like Betty Boop can do. A saxophone can go. But a saxophone can't, like Betty Boop can do. This little miss would never miss a chance for vocal tuning. And anytime and anywhere you can hear this lady crooning. An auto horn can go. But an auto horn can, like Betty Boop can do. Made of pen and ink, she can win you with a wink. Ain't she cute? Sweet Betty.
Where's your driver?
As I should know.
As usual. Why are you late?
I got a cold No, I'm feeling awfully bad. Touch. What a time I've had. Touch. Cause I didn't button up my overcoat. Oh, and all I do is snip. Touch. Pass that handkerchief. Touch. What a funny feeling in my eyes and ears and throat. Oh, my neck, and oh, my dear, and all I do is just if that steer. I done it, told it, I don't. Oh, I done it, told it, I don't. Now, in his auto, I did go. He said yes, but I said no, 'cause I got it told if I don't. 'Cause I got it told if I don't. You know, I went to see the doctor, and I asked him what to do. Oh, Lordy, help me. Hey, you're in our way!
Huh?
He said, I think I got one too, so we laid down side by side. Oh, I'm still here, but the doctor died, 'cause I got it told him I don't. Oh, I got it told him I poopy doopy doopy doop.
Gesundheit! Ready, set! Will you say something for the Paramount News?
Sure, Mike. Was I that I told him I don't. Oh, I that I told him I boopy doopy doop.